Hello and welcome to Techbelt. In today's video I will be talking about how to correctly apply adhesive back tapes. The first step is to remove the used adhesive tape from your machine. The second step is to remove dust and particles with an air blower. Once you have done that, it's time to thoroughly wipe the surface with a clean cloth using aggressive solvents such as acetone. Repeat this until all the oils and contaminants are removed. Then use a second cloth to clean the solvent residue with isopropyl or denatured alcohol. Again, remove dust and particles with an air blower. Once you have done that, we are now ready to apply our adhesive tape. To apply the adhesive tape, remove the yellow backing, making sure you keep your fingers and other surfaces away from the adhesive. And then press in place. Using a roller, apply maximum pressure to the adhesive. Rollers will double the adhesion. Thank you for watching this video today. If you would like any more information, please contact us at sales@techbelt.com or call us on 01422 366 386. Thank you.